Hello, my good friends. I'm going to show you how to upload a file to a question. So question 8 asks you, upload your infographic here. Make sure your name is in the name of the file. So the first thing I need to do is I need to make sure it's downloaded. So I have my name, Ponyboy Curtis, third period. Notice I did not say Rosa Parks. I did not say Miss Tolson's class. I have my first name, my last name, third period. So then I'm going to go over to File, Download As, Download a Copy. Again, what did I do? I went to File, Download As, Download a Copy. And then you'll click, it'll say your presentation is ready, and you click download. Now it's right here. So I need to move it to my desktop. So I'm going to click it, and I'm not going to let go. I'm going to drag it over to the desktop. Now I've already done that. That's why you can see the name of the file here. But again, I clicked and dragged. That way it's on the desktop. So now I'm back here, upload file. And then I'm going to make sure that I've clicked my desktop. And look, it's right here. Click, make sure I have the right one. Ponyboy Curtis, third. Open. And now I'm ready to submit. Okay, if I messed up and I put the wrong file, I can delete it and upload the right file. See how that works? Now you're ready to turn it in. This is how I'm grading you. If you do not attach the file, you will not get a grade. It won't let you submit it without attaching it. You also need to make sure that your paragraph is beautiful. This is the one that I'm grading. So this is, once I turn this back over to you, you'll have a grade for your paragraph, a grade for your PowerPoint, and that is how you'll get your grade. All right. I love you. Be good. I hope this was helpful.